Today we're going to explore Earth's landforms. This book was written by Lisa K. Schnell. The Earth is made up of shapes, and the shapes make up landforms. Today we're going to find out about all of the Earth's landforms. Let's get started. While we're reading, we're going to pay attention to these 4 very important words. Can you find these words? Canyon, mountain, plain, plateau. Earth's landforms. Land has many shapes. A hill is high. Its sides are sloped. A mountain is higher than a hill. Its sides are steep. Steep means the sides go straight down. A plain is low. It is flat and wide. A plateau is higher than a plain. Its top is flat. Look at it, it's so flat. It's different than a mountain, huh? Mountain kind of had a peak at the top. Well, a plateau is flat. A canyon is deep. Its sides are steep. Wow, look way down there. It's so deep. And look, those sides, they are steep. That means they go straight down. Today we explored different shapes for landforms. Did you find these words? Remember, a canyon is deep. A mountain is higher than a hill. A plain is low. A plateau is higher than a plain, and it has a flat top, unlike the mountain that has a point at the top. Great job listening to this book called Earth's Landforms. Boys and girls, now I would like for you to think about what type of landform would you like to explore? Make a video for your teacher. Tell your video which landform you would like to explore. And tell your teacher why. Why do you like that landform?